Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Avalon. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find universal remote transmitter, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.